Today we're tackling a topic that affects millions of people: the feeling of being trapped. Trapped by your bills, trapped by your next payday, trapped in the relentless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It's that sinking feeling on the first of the month when your entire salary vanishes into rent, car payments, and credit card bills before you've even had a chance to breathe. It's the constant stress of an unexpected expense, knowing that a flat tire or a sick pet could derail your entire financial life. If this sounds familiar, I want you to know two things. You are not alone, and there is absolutely a way out. This isn't about financial wizardry or getting lucky. It's about a plan, a practical, step-by-step escape plan. And today, I'm going to share it with you. 1. Understanding the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Before we can escape the trap, we need to understand how it works. The paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is a financial hamster wheel. Your income comes in, and it immediately flows back out to cover expenses from the previous month. There's nothing left over to save, invest, or get ahead. This creates a state of perpetual financial vulnerability. Why does this happen? It's often a combination of factors: stagnant wages, rising costs of living, unexpected debt, and sometimes a simple lack of a clear financial plan. It's not a moral failing, it's a math problem. And the good news is, we can solve this problem. The first step is the hardest, but it's the most critical. Step 1. Confronting your financial reality. You can't get to a new destination without knowing your starting point. It's time to face the numbers, not with fear, but with purpose. For 1 month, I want you to become a financial detective. Your mission is to track every single dollar that leaves your possession. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. It doesn't matter the tool, only the action. Record your morning coffee, your groceries, your subscriptions, your fuel costs, everything. This isn't about judging your spending, it's about gathering data. You might be shocked to see where your money is actually going. At the same time, calculate your net worth. This sounds intimidating, but it's simple. Add up everything you own that has value, your assets, like cash in the bank, the value of your car, etc. Then, add up everything you owe, your liabilities, like credit card debt, student loans, personal loans. The formula is simple. Assets minus liabilities equals net worth. It might be negative right now, and that's okay. This number is your baseline. From this day forward, our goal is to make that number go up. This initial step gives you clarity, and clarity is power. Step 2. Building your budget. The blueprint for freedom. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to tell it where to go. A budget is not a financial prison. It's your written plan for freedom. It's you telling your money what's important. Let's keep it simple with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs. This is the core of your budget. Up to 50% of your after-tax income should go towards your absolute essentials. We're talking about housing, rent, mortgage, utilities, transportation to get to work, and essential groceries. These are the non-negotiable costs to live. 30% for wants. This category covers your lifestyle choices. Think dining out, entertainment, streaming services, hobbies, and that new gadget you've been eyeing. This is the area where we often have the most flexibility to make cuts when we're in escape mode. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is your escape fund. At least 20% of your income is dedicated to your future self. This portion is used to build your emergency fund, aggressively pay down high-interest debt, and eventually, start investing. Write this down. Calculate the dollar amount for each category based on your income. This is your blueprint. Every financial decision you make should now be filtered through this plan. Step 3. Slashing expenses and boosting income. With your budget blueprint in hand, it's time to optimize. We need to create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. We attack this on two fronts: cutting costs and increasing income. The expense-slashing audit one. The big three. Housing, transportation, and food are typically the largest expenses. Can you get a roommate? Can you downsize? Can you meal prep instead of buying lunch every day? Reducing your food bill by just $150 a month frees up $1,800 a year. That's a powerful move. Cutting expenses has a limit, but your ability to earn more is theoretically limitless. 2. Develop a side hustle. The gig economy is booming. Can you drive for a ride-sharing service? Deliver food? Do freelance writing, graphic design, or virtual assistant work online? Can you turn a hobby like woodworking or baking into a small business? 3. Sell your stuff. Go through your home and identify things you no longer use. Old electronics, clothes, furniture. List them on online marketplaces. This provides a quick cash injection that can go directly to your emergency fund or a high-interest credit card. 5. Step 4. Creating your financial safety net. The reason the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is so stressful is the lack of a safety net. An unexpected expense becomes a crisis. We're going to change that. The emergency fund. Your first financial priority, using the money you've freed up, is to build a starter emergency fund of $1,000. This isn't for a vacation, it's for true emergencies only. A car repair, an unexpected medical bill. This $1,000 acts as a buffer between you and debt. It breaks the cycle of having to reach for a credit card every time something goes wrong. Keep this money in a separate savings account so you aren't tempted to spend it. The Debt Attack Plan. Once you have your $1,000 buffer, all extra money goes towards attacking high-interest debt, like credit cards. There are 2 popular methods. The Debt Avalanche. List your debts by the highest interest rate to the lowest. Make minimum payments on all, but throw every extra dollar at the debt with the highest interest rate. Mathematically, this saves you the most money in interest over time. The path forward. Escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is a journey. It takes discipline, sacrifice, and a commitment to your future self. But by following this plan, confronting your reality, building a budget, optimizing your cash flow, and building a safety net, you are taking back control. Imagine a life where you're not afraid to look at your bank account. A life where an unexpected bill is an inconvenience, not a catastrophe. A life where your money works for you, not against you. That is not a distant dream. It is an achievable reality. Start today. Track that first dollar. Make that first budget. Cancel that one subscription. Every small step forward is a victory. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope this plan gives you the hope and the tools you need to start your journey to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and more importantly, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos on building wealth and living a better financial life. Leave a comment below and let me know the first step you're going to take. Let's support each other in the community. Until next time, take control and build the life you deserve.